Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Dr. Andrew Fleming, British Deputy High Commission, Kolkata. Sri Hemant Sharma, IAS, Additional Chief Secretary, Industries and MSME Department, Government of Odisha. Sri Shashi Shekhar Mahanti, Chairman, Odisha State Manufacturing Council, the Associated Chamber of Commerce and Industries of India. Mr. Prabodh Mahanti, Chairman, Odisha State Mining and Steel Council, ASSOCHAM, and President UCCIL. Mr. Sureshji Prabhu, Executive Director Operations, ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel India. Mr. Prashant Hota, Chairman, ASSOCHAM, Odisha CSR and Sustainability Council. Mrs. Parminder Jeet Kaur, Senior Director, East and Northeast, ASSOCHAM. Esteemed dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, distinguished guests, industry leaders, innovators, friends and academia, and friends from media, good morning to everyone. It is a privilege to welcome you all to the second edition of the Odisha Manufacturing Conclave organized by ASSOCHAM with a mission to build sharper discourse around the most critical force shaping our industrial future, artificial intelligence. On behalf of ASSOCHAM, Odisha State Development Council, I extend my heartfelt thanks to each of you for your presence today and for your commitment to transforming Odisha's manufacturing sector.
Achieved in the last 30 years is one of the biggest and most phenomenal success stories I think you can find in India. Today, of course, we're here with industry leaders from Odisha's vibrant manufacturing sector, and it's truly a privilege to be here in a state where the ground beneath your feet is rich in minerals, and where the people are even richer in enterprise and ambition. I love the title of this book, AI-Driven Manufacturing, Innovation, Efficiency and Sustainable Growth. The top priority for my government is growth. We need to grow our economy and we need to help our partners grow their economy. And we want to be a partner of choice here in Odisha, which is why I prioritize coming to and speaking at events like this. And today I'm going to talk about something very close to both our hearts: manufacturing, mining, and the exciting possibilities when two great traditions.
What I would do in very few words, I would bring to your knowledge what is the landscape in Odisha for manufacturing industry. How is the government of Odisha approaching the use of better technology, including artificial intelligence, in making manufacturing more efficient, more smart, and more welfare-oriented in Odisha? As you all know, Odisha is all about minerals, metals, and being a coastal state. So all our manufacturing activity is actually at the moment driven by these two advantages which we have. We are a mineral-rich coastal state. So our mining industry, metallurgical industry, port-based industries, for instance chemicals, petrochemicals, and demand-driven sectors of industry like food processing industry, textile industry, apparel, garment industry, and the other segments of services, the tourism, hospitality, hospitals, healthcare, all these industries are growing at a very fast pace.